Hello and welcome to another Optimum Business English video. In this video, we will look at how to introduce yourself in a meeting or a presentation. There are three possible scenarios. 1, your audience does not know you. 2, they know you already. Or 3, they know you already but not why you are presenting to them or meeting with them. Let us look at scenario 1, where your audience does not know you. My name is, and I'm the, here at. My name is Lynn Laupscher, and I'm the Change Manager here at Optimum Business English. Scenario 2. They know you already. As you already know, I'm the. As you already know, I'm the Change Manager on the SAP implementation project. Scenario 3. They know you already but not why you are presenting to or meeting with them. As you already know, I'm the, and I've been tasked with, and I've been given the job of. As you already know, I'm the Change Manager on the SAP implementation project, and I've been tasked with training you on the new system. Please now take 10 seconds to practice each scenario using your own name and details. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe